Hi my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are tying another simple head wrap. In case you don't know how to turn your hand at all for gele, come closer. This one is gonna be a game changer for gele tying. So when you grab your material the way you see me holding it in this video, just make little pleats and hold it with your elastic band. Place it on your head the way it is being done here, and the excess at the front, grab it up with your elastic band as well. So if you are new on this platform, what we do here is simple DIY gele tutorial. So join us by subscribing, by following us, like and share. Okay, thanks for doing that. Let's continue with today's tutorial. So the excess at the front are going to be pleated like this. You take it sideways, either your right or your left, whichever way you want to go, because it's gonna touch the both sides. Okay, so I'm taking it like from sideways to the back and it's come back to the other side. Okay, so stay focused and see this. Please do not skip so that you don't miss any important step to achieve this head wrap. Okay guys, so you can see I brought it back to the front and dip the remaining excess into the elastic, that same elastic band. I dip it there. So it is advisable you make use of a very good elastic band. Okay, so as I'm doing that, I'm trying to adjust my pleats, get them well aligned before I proceed. So guys, when I'm done with that, what I'm going to be doing is I'll still grab the excess, make pleat with it, and I'm going to make a fold just like this. You see, just make a fold. I need another elastic band. I think I used like 3 elastic band in this tutorial. So after making that fold, I still have some excess. I'll pleat everything down and see what I'm gonna do. I'll roll it up, roll everything. I'm rolling everything up. When I'm done, I'll just place it on these my pleats up here, and I'll find a way of securing it with my pin. That's what we need here, rubber band and pin. So it's secured already, and I want to make sure it's super secure. I use another pin. So that's I'm done. Then I use my hand to adjust the pleats, make them aligned well. So if you like, you can leave it like this and go. You're good to go. Okay, so let me show you another way you can do. You can stretch the folded part out and turn it round to make like a rose. Okay, so that is what I'm doing here. Guys, don't forget to share my videos, don't forget to like and leave your comment below, guys. So you can see I'm just taking it round from that rose. I'll need an office pin to tack it, or if you like, you can leave it like that. You're good to go. So this is another style you can do. Shape it backward, and what do you think? So let's see the third style. You can loosen up, and let's see how we can turn this as well. I just stretch it out very well, stretch out, then I place it like this. Yeah, then you pin down both edges, and yeah, good. So I pin this part and the other part. So it gives me this. And for the elastic band, you have to cover it up if you are not using the color that blend with your material. Okay, so I'll just use my brown to cover the elastic band, since I have off color of my material to cover it up. And guess what, I'm set to go. So this is for today. We're gonna see tomorrow with another style. So try and practice, lay your hands on it. They are easy to do. Seriously, save yourself some chaos and stress. DIY, we are here. See you guys.